What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man, and we got a few new cars. What's up, man? How you doing? Oh, we got a nice little red truck, man. Remind me of that truck from Walking Tall, man. I was just watching that movie and that looks just like that truck. We got a few cool lineup of cars here, man. So without further ado, let's check them out. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's check them out. Alrighty, guys. First up, man, we got a 2002 Suzuki REO here, 192,000 miles on the dash, 4-cylinder with a manual transmission. At first glance, it does look like it was spray painted in some spots. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but yeah, that's better right there. You guys can see they definitely took a silver spray can to it. But I mean, this side looks fairly all right. You can take this thing to Mako, get like a $300 paint job, and be back in the game. If we check out the inside, we do have a door panel missing here on the lower end, but the inside, other than that, does look pretty good. If you ask me, the back does look good. It is a stick shift, and it does have a no radio. It kind of looked like a flat screen right there for a sec. But no radio, 192,000 miles. I don't know how reliable these cars are. If you do, if any of you guys do, let me know in the comments below. Pop the hood really quick on that bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, does look pretty clean. I mean, you got tape on the air intake there, but other than that, does look like a pretty good car. It seems like they cared about it enough to put an extra little effort into it. So what do you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. And this is going on the 3rd or 4th week this van has been here. You guys are already seen that. This Mercedes was here last week. It does have a rebuilt title. We've seen that already. We've seen the Acura, the bad head gasket. We have not seen the 99 Mercury Cougar with 108,000 miles. First glance, it does look like a catfish. Looks just like a catfish, honestly. I mean, back in the day, I kind of liked them, but now it's like, I think I'm good. 108,000 miles. You take a look in the inside, it does have this like black and gray cloth interior. Typical old school like interior is the manual transmission. It is the 6-cylinder Mercury Cougar. Mercury's not in business anymore, so finding parts for this thing probably nearly impossible, other than going to the junkyard and like maybe eBay, of course, but just like a dealer, you can forget about it. But let me know what you guys think about the catfish in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 2004 Pontiac Bonneville here, man. This is a pretty nice little car. 219,000 miles. I mean, the mileage is pretty high, guys, but these things are freaking easy as heck to fix. The mileage is pretty decent. I mean, it's not outrageous, but we can check out the inside of it. Really look at it, man. It does look really good. You have really good cloth interior here. Yeah, you guys see like how clean this is. I can actually get all the way in it. I wouldn't mind grabbing this. I'm sure it's gonna go for pretty cheap here today. However, it is like tax week, so I don't know. We'll see what this thing sells for. What you guys think it'll sell for, let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got the Big Daddy, man. 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. It's lifted up on them XD joints with them big old off-road tires. You see that? 176,000 miles, man. Pretty good looking truck if you ask me. I definitely wouldn't mind swerving around in this thing. Like I was saying earlier, this truck reminds me of the Walking Tall movie with The Rock. I was just looking at the movie the other day, and they was freaking ripping one of these things apart. It had like the huge lights and everything on top. So you guys just see the potential of the truck, man. It's a really, really, really nice car. It has the Fox sticker on the back, so you can really be a real off-roader within a matter of a couple thousand. You'll get that look that you've been wanting, man. This is a really, really nice truck. I'm digging it. It's got the tow hitch on there already. Pretty nice looking bed. SLT model. The mileage is pretty high, but I mean, it's a work truck. It's a 5.7 Hemi. Take a look under the hood. You guys see how dirty it used to be. They was already mudding and stuff, but it does look like a really, really good truck. You can use a pressure wash underneath the hood. Look at the top of that joint. So I don't know. They put a real good cleaning on this thing, that's for sure. What y'all think? Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, we got an 04 Nissan Xterra here. 179,000 miles. Really, really good looking truck as well. First glance, I'm noticing they have some overspray right here on the headlight cover. So this thing, they were trying to cover up some blemishes, of course, but no big deal. Pretty good looking truck. On the first glance, you do got some, like, I guess you can get pulled out or something right here. I don't know if this is like, if there's a bumper that goes right here. Probably is. It does look bent in a little bit right there, to be honest. Got the little fake AutoZone grill. We take a look at the inside. First of all, we got the step up ladder. I ain't been on one of these in a while. Yeah, man, let me get one of them things. You can check out the top of this. You can put some bike rack up here. Go off-roading, camping. Inside does look really good. It is a Nissan, so you guys know for the most part it's a pretty good, reliable car. Has the cover seats on it. That's pretty cool. And everything up here looks to be in order. Tires look pretty good as well. I wouldn't mind grabbing this one, judging it runs good. Looks like they had just got tags on this one, August 18. Well, not just got tags, but it was running at a point in time recently, so I don't know. It's been here for a while, that's for sure. We take a quick look under the hood, man. It does look really good under here and pretty clean, to say the least. Radiator, everything looks new. So looks like they probably recently did a tune-up on that, which I think. Next up, guys, we got a 06 Toyota Corolla here. 157,000 miles. It says it has a bad oil pressure pump, but who really knows, man? It's probably knocking out the light. But I mean, body wise, this is a really, really clean car here. So like if you was here last week or the week before that, rather, you would have got the other one for $400. That was pretty whooped. Just held it on to it, because you're gonna get this one for really cheap today at the auction. People are gonna see that bad oil pump pressure thing or whatever and be like, nah, I'm good. But this one is a really clean one, honestly. Really clean little whip here, man. I think it looked good. I think to fix it, it'll be even better. You might be able to get it super, super cheap here. And if we just take a quick peek under the hood here, it does look like everything is intact and it hasn't been touched or tampered with yet. So that's a plus there too. So it starts and drives. You might be able to get it for cheap here today. Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, we got a 2014 Nissan Versa here. 89,000 miles. I actually think this one was here last week, and they sold it for like 40 something, and they didn't come pick it up. So it's back here this week. Ooh, look at that Audi. Thing sound like it got exhaust on that joint, but the body on this one is good. I remember we seen this one last week. I'll give you guys a quick overview because it is a pretty decent car. However, they say these Nissan Versas right here, they usually have transmission issues. So I don't know. I guess that's what the person read up on after they bid it up and got home. But what y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, we got a 2008 Audi A4 with 114,000 miles. Pretty good looking car here, man. It is the S-Line model, so it is a turbo. Real good looking car. It's got the sunroof and everything on it. I'm digging these wheels with these extra mini tires. That's a plus. 114,000 miles on the dash. Let's check it out. It's got that nice black leather interior, man. Does look really good in here. They snatched that joint up fast. Got the little toe hitch right there. Not sure if something's wrong with it or not. They're gonna start it for us in a sec. Just let us hear it. But this one should have a beefy sound to it. I don't know, it is the S-Line model. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. And this one's got the turbo on it. Turbo's down there. That was a pretty good one. Alrighty, guys, another Nissan Sentra. Well, that one was a Versa. This one is a Sentra. Both 2014, so pretty much the same motor. This is a 2014 Nissan Sentra with 98,000 miles. Pretty good looking car. However, it does look like they hit something in the front. This bumper looked like it was like resprayed. These headlights are kind of not lined up, but more or less it's fairly decent. It's not opening. Got some gap. We gotta like probably pop it from the inside. Let's see. Pretty good looking engine bay. Don't look like too much stuff. If anything up here is damaged, it's just like the body parts aren't lining up, so. Alrighty, guys, we got an 08 Dodge Avenger here, 133,000 miles, 4-cylinder. Got all 4 matching wheels. That's a plus. All right, we got a pretty good looking Dodge Avenger here, man. 132,000. Before we get into it, let's just pop this hood. It does look really, really good and messed with. Doesn't look like nobody tampered with it yet, so that's a plus. These lights honestly look like they got some weird gap to them, which they do because they're kind of loose. Super tinted out. We take a look at the inside. Got cloth seating, got some stains in the seats and whatnot. I mean, got a pretty decent pretty car overall. Handle on the back is not there, no big deal. How you doing, man?
Good, are you?
Man, cooling, man. Another day.
Yeah.
Another day. Is that red truck, is it any good or what?
Yeah, it's ranking us.
Yeah, it ran really good, huh? Yeah. So they didn't come pick up the black one, huh?
Nope.
Nah. Well, I guess it'll sell this week then. Chill, man. So, man, we got a freaking Ninja here. Kawasaki. Is Kawasaki? I don't know. Yeah. All right, so we got a Kawasaki Ninja here, 650. Really good looking bike. It's got these huge mirrors on the side, so I don't think it's that fast. You know what year the bike is?
What year is the bike? 15.
Oh, 2015. Oh, it's got a broken little blinker board. No issue there.
The blue one?
Yeah, this thing is way lighter compared to the Harley. Way lighter, man. That's crazy. This thing's probably gonna go for like, what, a band or something today? I mean, I don't know, it's tax time. Probably like 1,500. I don't know, what y'all think about it? We got a couple more cars, a little Cadillac. Here, this one actually looks good, but I don't really want the Caddy. Oh man, this thing whooped. Somebody smacked the back of it. You may be able to get this one cheap. You may be able to get it cheap. I don't know which year it is. They haven't wrote the stuff on these cars yet, but I'm sure none of these back here run. So, you know how they got a little Pontiac Trans Am or Firebird. Yeah, this is definitely, oh, they got the 6-speed, okay. You slide this. They was just driving this because that's for the car wash by my house. The car wash that I go to, rather. It was just sliding that. Let's look. It's got the, I don't even know what year this is, but it's got a cold air intake. It looks like some bolts and stuff is removed, so they probably just blew the motor. I'm not really sure. You can easily LS swap this bad boy, but I mean, it's got a great body, that's for sure. Some nice IROC stocks on it. It's definitely pretty cool. The interior is nice. It's got to be like a 92 or something. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, man. What y'all think, though? 143,000 miles. A couple more cars that don't run. Whether it's like a little Datsun or something. It's got to be like a little Datsun, man. They was restoring this. It looked like they was getting ready to paint it eventually. And just got it snatched up, man. It's literally a shell. It's nothing in there. No motor or trans or anything like that. No seats, no interior, nothing. Just literally a shell. So, I mean, if you want to start with nothing, get your body work on, man. You got the little 6-speed down there. Throw a LS with a T56 up in there. Get them tail lights, get it all wired up. I think it's possible. It's gonna take some time and some effort, but that's just me, man. That's just me. Got another whooped Audi. That one's gonna be a parts car. Then they got a Buick Sentra here. Wow. So, like, yeah, guys, finding these parts at the junkyard is like, oh, you might as well just wait till the auction and get one for like $125, get a whole car. Honestly. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We got a few decent cars here, a few decent trucks. We got a motorcycle today, man. So if you're wondering what any of these cars go for, be sure to tune in tomorrow as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.